afternoon, Ryan. We're just here to have a little listen to your chest. Is that alright? Thank you. Okay, so if you just breathe normally as you're doing. I'm just going to listen to the sides now. And I'm just going to have a little listen around the back, so we're both going to just help set you forward, alright?
Alright, Ryan.
Ready?